This video is going to be for changing the spark plugs on a BMW GSA 1250, and this is a 2019 model. It's that time of year where I need to service the GSA. Now for me, this is the first time where the bike is outside of its warranty window. So I thought, you know what, let's service it myself. Now for reference, no mechanic, pure DIY. Take everything I say with a pinch of salt. Don't follow what I do and pays professional. But anyway, now for most of you out there, all you're gonna need to do is remove the one little black cover that sits just there. When I bought my bike, they had these on them. Obviously, engine crash protection. I mean, it's a good job because I have gouged these out. So I had to remove the crash bars enough so I could get this out, just so I could get to where the spark plugs are situated. But yeah, whatever you need to do to gain access to the spark plugs, remove it. Now, I've bought the BMW official spark plugs. I'll leave any of the product codes below in the description box or any links just to help you kind of find them, make your life a little bit easier. And now I do have a couple of extra tools, again, to make my life easy. Got the little puller and then a 40mm thin wall deep socket to remove the spark plug. In an ideal world, I wouldn't be doing it here right next to a busy road. But fortunately, we're in rented accommodation at the minute. I don't have a garage, and you've got to make do with what you've got. So this is it. This is my garage for today. So for most of you, again, black cover there. It's going to be one screw just at the top to remove it. And then this is what you're going to be left with. You're going to lift this grey clip up and then pull out the wiring. There you go. Took a little bit of persuading, but she's out. Leave that to one side. Now, some of you may be able to remove this by hand. And again, actually, some of you won't even need to remove the crash bars to be able to get to this. If you want to, make yourself a little bit more space than you can. And so, yeah, you're going to get the puller. Slides on like that. And there we go. From there, just get your tool. Carefully place it inside. One-time old spark plug. Looking at it, it doesn't actually look too bad. But this bike is on around 18,000 miles. Just time to take care of her. Now, I used to have a garage, and so I had a lot more tools. At the minute, most of it is in storage. So unfortunately, I don't have my torque wrench on me. But at a later date, I will torque them up properly. I'll put the torque on the screen. I think it's about 12 Newton meters. And that's it. One side done, super easy. And then just place this back in. Wiring harness back in, grey clip down, and there we go. It is as simple as that. If I can do it, you can do it. Honestly, the spark plugs takes minutes. It was taking off the crash guards, the engine covers. That took absolutely forever, and I've rounded some bolts off, so that was a bit of a nightmare. But yeah, I'm just going to go and do the other side. You don't need to see it. Rinse and repeat. And that's it. That is how you change over your spark plugs for the BMW GSA 1250 2019. If you found that useful, give it a thumbs up. More importantly, subscribe to the channel, because I will be going through and doing the air filter and the oil as well. Separate videos. What I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do one long video of the complete service, and then the 3 shorter videos of the spark plugs, the oil filter and air filter. Well, see you on the next one.